Welcome to SolidCAM Professor. I'm Sydney, your SolidCAM Professor, with one of many videos available to you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. In this recording, we'll show you how to import tools from the Iscar Tool Advisor into the SolidCAM tool table. We'll start with an empty tool table in SolidCAM, and we'll go to our import option. By clicking on import, we have several ways to import a tool. We can use a library type of Iscar Tool Advisor. When you do that, it'll automatically take you to the Iscar Tool Advisor. Now let's enlarge this table and we'll click on Start. As you can see, we have metric or inch, and I want to take a milling tool and say for slotting. So we'll choose slotting and we'll click on the ITA, Iscar Tool Advisor icon. All you have to do now is insert all the relative information by clicking on application details, such as the material type, and click on select. The slotting depth, say I want to go down a total of 12 millimeters, and the slotting width, say the width of my slot is a total of 12 millimeters. Any other relevant information that you may want to put in here can be done here as well. And all you have to do now is click on Find Tools. When the tools show up, you decide which tool you'd like to use from one of these options. So I'd like to take option 1. And then you click on Import as a zip file. Click on Download File, and we'll save it. And you'll note that tool now has been brought in to my import table with all the relevant information, including my tool data as shown over here. The moment I click on Import All Tools and click on OK, you can now see it inside my tool table. For more videos on SolidCAM Professor, please go to our website, www.solidcam.com, and look for the tab called SolidCAM Professor. Thank you for joining us on SolidCAM Professor. Take care and have a nice day.